I will tell you, it's not for the faint-hearted, this trek. It's beautiful, it's excellent. There's a lot of steps. I personally like it, and I think it's well worth it. Man, Don, we scoot over these steps like snakes, bro. We're quick. But there's a lot of steps. And what goes down must come up, as Don said to me. In a couple of seconds, we're gonna have a view of a waterfall. And then I'm gonna go for a swim, I think. Oh yeah. That's the goods, eh? Look at that. Ew. So we're nearing the waterfall. It's pretty beautiful here. And mate, these steps are out there. I've done steps like this before. They're just really solid, big steps on a thin track though. Hard work to build them, I guess. And we're here.
Put your stuff there, you can walk there.
Alright.
Or you can bring it, you need to remove your shoes.
Yeah, I'll just take it all here. I'm gonna go for a swim. The water, I think, is gonna be cool. Hey! What's going on, boys? Come for a swim? Nah, he said fuck that, nah. Nah, the boys are used to it. I'll go and see the boys first. Hey? What?
I was asking, why are we only now?
Oh, because I went and fucking made some rice. Oh, yeah, I want to learn the process, you know? It's good for video. Yeah. I'll turn this. Alright guys, I'm gonna go for a swim. This is real slippery. All these rocks have a layer of slime over them. And then you've got a current pushing you. So I should have gone up here where there's less resistance, you know? So I'm gonna head that way so I'm not getting pressed in the current and cross right here. That's a smarter approach. So I was down in here. That with the slimy rocks. Nah, not so good. Ooh. Yeah, slippery. These are the guys from where I'm staying. Yo! What's happening, dudes? Oh. Hey? Yeah, that's smart. This guy's is fucking smart, man. He brought his flip-flops. Right? Yeah. Oh. I definitely should have brought my thongs, eh? And the water, oh, it's so slippery, eh? So slippery. I think once I'm in, I'm gonna swim back on my belly, because this is just ridiculously slippery. I thought I was sure-footed, but maybe not. Oh, it's cold, eh? Whew. Yeah, cold. That's cold. Ah, that's cold, eh? Ooh. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.
What's your name?
My name is Chris. And what's your name?
Fredo. Milong.
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 So this is Milong, and I've just met him, and what he's doing is he's churning the soil in this terrace, and over time he will churn the soil all the way through to the end of this terrace, with the hopes to bring this terrace back to life so they can increase the yield of their crop. And it's a lot of work. Awesome. All right guys, I just thought I'd throw in an extra there. Just think this is very interesting, and see how hard these guys work. And thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
Take care.
Come again.
I will, certainly.
With your girlfriend.
With my girlfriend. Definitely.